PBA, Pseudobulbar Affect. So, what's that mean? There's pathological laughter and pathological crying. The laughter and or crying do not marry up to the emotions. It's a neurological issue. I was probably the first YouTube video of PBA out there, and actually was one of the influential videos in developing the laughter for the Joker film. We put that video out there just for people to understand and be able to relate to it and say, but it can be related to specific things. Me, I've got MS, multiple sclerosis. That's one of the symptoms. Truth is, I'd much rather have laughter than something that's going to prevent me from walking around. I was a marketing major. I kind of stumbled into IT. We had Macs and PCs. We had to figure out how to put things together. I just continued down that path. Back in the early 2000s, for the most part, you got sent off to boot camps. I had been to a couple, and I had broke out into laughter, and it was disastrous. Luckily, a couple weeks later, guess who developed a new CBT for QoS? CBT Nuggets. My friend came across these things on eBay, and it really struck me. It was like he's communicating to the learner in a way that makes sense. I got more out of CBT Nuggets than I got out of any college course I ever took. I was certainly more well prepared for doing my day-to-day operations, and I always had that reference I could go back to. And the instructors like Jeff Kish, Knox, Keith Barker, they really personalize it, and they have that eye contact, and they make sure that they hit those points and try to relate it to something that's outside of the scope of IT, but help people understand that it's not that difficult because they know their audience and they deliver to their audience. I've stuck with them for the last 20 years. It really, really works. It's amazing. What motivates me is how fast-paced this industry is, and I've got kids. They're showing interest in going in this field as well because they can do just about everything so quickly. And if I'm showing them that, hey, your dad's learning automation, he's learning Python, he's learning all of these new skill sets that are coming about, then I'm on the same path as you. I'm showing them how to do it. What is an effective way to study and help build your skill set? I just want to give big props to Jeff, Knox, and Keith Barker. For me to stay on top of it is, it's critical. No matter what, you're never peaked out on learning. There's always something new or something enhanced. And I'm just so grateful for everything that they're producing.